Here's how to add payment methods in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're running an online store, make sure you have WooCommerce installed and activated. From the dashboard, go to WooCommerce and then click Settings. Next, open the Payments tab, where you'll see the available payment options for your store. Here you can enable the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, bank transfers, cash on delivery, or online payment gateways. Simply turn on the payment method you want to use and click Setup or Manage to configure it. Depending on the payment provider, you may need to enter account details, API keys, or connect your payment account to WordPress. Follow the setup instructions provided by the payment gateway. Once you've finished configuring your payment methods, click Save Changes. To make sure everything is working correctly, visit your store and go through the checkout process to confirm that the payment options appear as expected. And that's how to add payment methods in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.